So hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to use reference images in Blender like this wonderful key I found online. So let's go and start with a new document that you will probably be starting as well. And the first thing, of course, that we always do is delete the default cube because that thing is evil. Now we need our reference image in order to model anything we want. For that I downloaded an image onto my PC. In this case it is this image of a key. So if you just wonderfully drag that thing in, you can see that thing is not straight. So the first thing that we do before we add any images, we make sure that our view is straight on. This we can do by clicking on the axis. In this case, you want to see it from the front. Perfect. Now, next step, of course, is we're just gonna drag this one in. As you can see now, it is straight, but the thing is, if I move this one, it kind of disappears. This is because our data properties are not aligned. In this case, we have to set two options to, well, true or active. In this case, we have orthographic current on, which is of course the front view, the sides, and of course perspective, meaning if I move this one around, it will stay. But the thing is, if I turn it around, it is not visible. This can be practical, of course, if you have something that is just one side and you have multiple of these, then you don't want to see it all the time if you don't look at it from the right side. But of course you can change that to, in this case, both sides, meaning you can see it on both sides. So of course now if you start to add, or in this case try to make this key, you're just gonna add of course something, and in this case we have our mesh. The problem is now I cannot really see anything through, and I don't know, am I in the limits, am I not, who knows. There's an easy fix for that. Of course, you can go here on the top view onto the X-ray, you can make it on, and then you can look through that mesh. And with that, you can now just go and make our key. In this case, there we go. Let's make a very rudimentary key. There we go. Now we have our key, and let's make it for good keepsake. It's also the. There we go. Perfect, definitely looking like a key. And well, this is kinda it. I hope you liked my little explanation, and well, I see you hopefully next time. Bye.